Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making better purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's going to make your head spin faster than a propeller. We're pitting the Ruko F11PRO against the TENSSENX GPS drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about the all-important price. On the left, we've got the Ruko F11PRO trying to justify its $389 price tag. Meanwhile, on the right, the TENSSENX GPS drone is sitting pretty at just $169. That's right, folks. TENSSENX is cheaper than your last impulse Amazon purchase. But does cheaper mean better? Let's find out. Next, we've got the flight time. Ruko F11PRO boasts a whopping 60 minutes with its 2 batteries. That's enough time to film a mini-movie, grab a snack, and still have juice left. On the other hand, TENSSENX offers a respectable 52 minutes with its 2 batteries. Not bad, but you might need to cut your Oscar speech short. Now, for the camera quality. Both drones claim to have 4K Ultra HD cameras. Ruko's got a 120 degrees FOV lens and a 90 degrees adjustable camera. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky. TENSSENX, you're not far behind with your 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable camera. But let's be real, most of us are just using these to spy on our neighbors' BBQs. Wind resistance is crucial if you don't want your drone doing an unplanned tour of your neighborhood. Ruko F11PRO flaunts level 6 wind resistance and a brushless motor. It's like the Chuck Norris of drones. TENSSENX, you might want to hang on to your hat because you didn't mention any wind resistance. So unless you want your drone to end up in Oz, maybe avoid flying on windy days. For user experience, Ruko F11PRO is designed for beginners with features like Follow Me mode, Tap Fly, and hand gesture shots. It's basically the drone that flies itself while you sit back and sip your coffee. TENSSENX also caters to newbies with altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing. But let's be honest, with a name like TENSSENX, it sounds like it's going to give you a complex math problem to solve before takeoff. Portability is another biggie. TENSSENX comes with a carrying case and weighs under 250 grams, saving you from FAA registration. It's like the ultralight backpacker of drones. Ruko, you might be FAA compliant, but you're not exactly fitting in anyone's pocket anytime soon. When it comes to intelligent functions, both drones are smarter than your average high schooler. Ruko has GPS auto return, ensuring you don't have to play hide and seek with your drone. TENSSENX also has GPS auto return, plus it'll trace and follow you, fly along a set path, or circle around a point. It's like having a personal drone butler. Both drones have garnered positive reviews on Amazon. Ruko F11PRO is praised for its build quality, ease of use, and impressive wind resistance, making it a durable and enjoyable choice. On the other hand, TENSSENX is lauded for its affordability, user-friendly features, and decent performance, making it an excellent starter drone. So there you have it, folks. Both drones have their perks and quirks. If you're rolling in dough and want a drone that fights the wind like a champ, go for the Ruko F11PRO. But if you're on a budget and want something portable and beginner-friendly, TENSSENX might be your new best friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hilarious and informative product comparisons. Drop a comment below on which drone you think takes the crown. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. And remember, if your drone ends up in a tree, It's not the drone's fault, it's just nature's way of saying, get off my lawn. Product links are in the description.